Hello and welcome to the Global Electronics Report. It's Friday, July 28th, and my name is David Burford. Today's programme is sponsored by Twin International. A judge in the US has ordered Apple to pay more than $500 million to a university due to the tech giant failing to abide by a previous court ruling. The BBC reported that back in 2014, Apple was sued for allegedly using technology developed by a professor and his students in its iPhone chips without permission of the University of Wisconsin-Madison. When Apple lost the patent case, they were ordered to pay $234 million. The sum has now been more than doubled because Apple continued to use the technology. The technology patent in question was a way of boosting computer performance by predicting how processors are about to be used. Apple, who have been granted a patent for a similar method, hopes to overturn the fine, which is considerably smaller than the original claim from the university. Zebra Technologies has commissioned a global study which reveals that by 2022, one half of manufacturers will adopt wearable technology. The study was based on interviews with 1,100 manufacturing companies and found that firms across EMEA are set to increase investment in a host of new technologies to bring goods to market faster. Addressing issues regarding burgeoning supply chain complexity and improved connectivity throughout their factories. Other key findings from the survey are that manufacturers will continue to adopt Industry 4.0, with workers using a combination of RFID wearables and automated systems to monitor physical processes in the plant. 55% of companies plan to adopt wearable technology by 2022. Company executives across all regions have cited that quality assurance is a top priority over the next 5 years. Malaysian car maker Proton's Tanjung Malim factory has been selected as the principal automotive factory in the country to implement Industry 4.0, according to government officials. Bernama reported that Tanjung Malim factory in the state of Perak will be Malaysia's first to implement Industry 4.0 in a manufacturing facility. Bernama reported that the Tanjung Malim factory in the state of Perak will be Malaysia's first to implement Industry 4.0 in a manufacturing facility. Join me after a quick break for more electronic stories. Foxconn Technology Group are demanding a substantial government incentive package to build an industrial campus in Wisconsin. They are almost certain to expect subsidies, tax breaks, job retraining promises, infrastructure improvements, and other incentives. With an initial investment of $10 billion, the new campus could employ as many as 10,000 people. EMS company Sanminas have reported a revenue of $1.17 billion for the third fiscal quarter ended July 1st. GAAP income in the same quarter was $66.6 million, 3.9% of revenue, compared with $54.6 million year on year. The company's chief executive, Yosola, said that Sanminas had delivered good results for the quarter, continuing to execute well and deliver consistent operating margin and solid cash generation. He went on to say that their customer base and pipeline of new opportunities remain solid, and they are confident in their ability to drive operational improvements and growth in 2017, and execution of strategy supports a promising future. Yamaha have introduced their latest mounter in the Sigma series with the G5S model. It delivers high-speed, flexible placement using a two-head mounting solution driven by Yamaha's drive control functionality. It features the fastest and most flexible placement head in the industry, equipped with a multi-function head that performs lead clinching and tamping. The model is ideal for high-mix assembly environments, offering a dual-side component supply up to 120 unique 8mm tapes and the ability to handle PCBs up to 1200mm or 47 inches long. That's it for this week. Thank you to our sponsors, Twin International, bubble-free potting from the industry leader in benchtop to fully inline potting under vacuum. So check back next week for more top stories from around the electronics world.